Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ram 2500 tail light. First, gather your tools. You'll typically need a T25 Torx driver, and that's about it. Make sure your truck's ignition is completely off for safety. Then, locate the two retaining screws on the tail light assembly, usually visible when the tailgate is open. Once you have your T25 Torx driver, carefully remove the two screws holding the tail light in place. These screws are usually found on the inside edge of the assembly. After removing them, store them safely. Now, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the truck bed. It might require a little force to release the clips. With the tail light assembly pulled away, you'll see the electrical wiring. Carefully disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it apart. Some models may also have individual bulb sockets that twist counterclockwise to detach. Take your time to avoid damaging any wires or connectors. Congratulations, your Ram 2500 tail light assembly is now completely removed. This is a great opportunity to inspect the wiring harness and bulbs for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and screws are snug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.